Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. This is 9th standard maths, second chapter, real numbers. Today we are going to see exercise 2.2, first Roman letter. Express the following rational numbers into decimal and state the kind of decimal expansions. First I am going to change the 2 by 7 into decimal numbers. After I am going to find state the kind of decimal expansion. That means we are going to see that is terminating and non-terminating. Terminating means we have the finite number. This shows that the process could lead to a decimal with the finite number. This is called the terminating number. Non-terminating means we cannot find the finite number, that is non-terminating. And non-terminating and then recurring means we cannot have the finite number that numbers continuously repeated again and again. That is called the uh, non-terminating and recurring. So, okay, let us go to the serial sums. 2 by 7s. So, I am going to divide the both number. How? I write the 2 here and 7 here. So, we cannot divide 2 by 7s. So, I put the decimal point here. So, how many times? So put the 0 here. We have the point. You put the point. We can add 1 0 with the number 20. How many times comes 7 in 20? 2 times. 2 times 7s are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Subtract the both number. We get the answer 20 minus 14. We get the answer 6. Then I can add 1 0 with this number because we have the decimal point here, so we allowed to write 0 here. Then how many times? 6 so 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. So 8 sevens are 56 here means I write the 56 here. I subtract this number, minus 60 minus 56 gives 4. Again I added one more 0 here, 40. How many times? 5 sevens are 35. 35. So subtract this number, change this sign, I get the answer 5. Again I will add 0 with this number, 50 came. How many times? Yes, 7 sevens are 49. So 49, I write the 49 here. 50 minus 49, I change the sign. 50 minus 49, I get the answer 1. Yes, again I add the one more 0 here. Then how many times? 1 times. So 1 sevens are 7. Again I subtract this number. 10 minus 7, I got the answer 3. Then again I add the 0 here. How many times? 4 sevens are 28. So I write the 28 here. I subtract this both number, minus 30 minus 28 is equal to 2. So I had the 2. Again the coming in what we have started from this number 20. I started here 20. Same number will come here also. So again I want to divide this number. Same quotient will become here. So I will stop there. So 2 by 7. What is the answer here? 0.2857285714. Again we will write that 2 here because that repeated number again will come there. So I put the bar then. Because bar is represent that these are the number will repeated again one time. So this is the bar is represent like that. So this is the what kind of 1 minute. What kind of expansion that is this is non-terminating non-terminating and recurring. Recurring means repeated. This is non-terminating and recurring. Is it clear now? So we will go to the second sum. This is they are given mixed fraction minus 5 by 3 by 11. So I consider here now go to the solution. First I am going to change to mixed fraction into improper fashion. How I will keep the minus here. I am not touching minus here. So I will change 5 3 by 11 into improper fraction. 5 11s are 55. 55 plus 3 58. So 58 by 11. So equal to minus. Okay, then I'm going, what is the step? Then going to do the divide. So I'm taking the divide here. How much I don't know that. I rather below here. Okay, then I draw the divide line here. Okay, so first this take the 58, then here and put the 11 in outside. So how many times come in 58? 58 by 11? 5 times. So put the 5 here. Then write the 5 11s are 55. Then minus. Change the sign and minus. We get the answer 3. And put the point. Because I cannot divide it 3 by 11. So I want to add 0. So I put the decimal point here 0. So 30. 30 how many times can? 2 times. 2 11s are 22. So 22 minus 30 minus 22 gets 8. Then I can add 0 because you have the decimal point. So we can add 0 here. So 80 how many times? 7 11s are 77. So minus, I am going to minus here, then change to 3. It gives 3. Again I had the 0 here, 30. Change to 30. 30 how many times? 11, 2 times. Listen, see, 30 already is there. Again one time 30 is there. So okay. So next times, the next answer also same like the 22. Understood that? The number repeated again one time. So I will stop there. I stopped here because at the top point after 2 7 again we will get the 2 7s. A repeated number came. So what is that answer here? Minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 3 by 11. I got the answer equal to, I have the answer 5.27 bar because 2 7 again repeated. So I'll stop here. This is represent. This is the method is represent. This is same thing, non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and recurring. Okay. So okay, third one, I am going to the third one sum. What is the third one sum is? Same method. What is this? 22 by 3. 22 by 3, same thing. I'm going to take the divided also. 22 by 3. I'll draw the divided line 1 minute. Because I want to divide that sum. Okay. Then okay. So solve the sum here. So 22 by 3, what is the answer here? Same thing, I taking the divided here, divides the 22. Then how many times near of that? 22, 7 3s are 21. So 21 minus 22 minus 21 gives 1. So I want to one more 0, I put the decimal here. Decimal I add 1 0. Then how many times come? 3 times. Okay, is it clear? 3. 3 3s are 9. I'll put the minus again. 10 minus 9 get 1. So again I want to add the 0, the same answer 10. The same answer, I will get that answer same answer as it is. So I stop here. So 7.3 will be continuous again and again. So what is the answer here? 22 by 3 it gives 22 or 22 by 3. 22 by 3 gives equal to, what is the decimal number? 7.3 comes repeated again one time, so I put the bar here. So this is non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and recurring. Okay, then last one, 327 divided by 200. So I am going to draw the divider. So we want to divide it here. So I'll put the divider here. And one more line we want. Okay, then I'm going to the solution now. Solution here. So I'm taking the divided 200, divisor 200 and 327 and 200. So how many times 200 comes in 327? 1 times only. So 1 200s are 200. So I will put the minus 327. So I have 127. So I cannot divide 127 divided by 200. I put the decimal number here. So how many times decimal number means I can add 1 0 here. So what is the answer next? How many times? Yes, 6 200s are 1200. 6 200s are 1200. So I subtract the both number. I get the answer is 70. And I want one more 0 I can add, because here I have decimal number 700. 700, 200 including how many times? 3 times. 3 200, so 600. 600. Then I subtract the both number. I get the answer 100. So 100 means we can add one more 0. 1000 how many times? Yes, 5 200s of 1000. It finished. Good. I don't want to divide it one more time because I got the answer 0. So it finite, it finished. So what is the answer of 327? 327 or 327 divided by 200 is equal to 1.635. 1.635. So it is finite number. So this is terminating. Is it clear, children? This is terminating. Okay. Thank you very much.